We are GOPACK Veneer, and veneer is what we specialize in. Our process starts with premium pieces, which arrive here from Europe's best distributors, and they come in all varieties, all 100% FSC certified. This means high supply, high quality, and sustainability. The wishes of our clients choose the pieces, which are then sent off to processing. The veneers are first carefully cut, making sure that the dimensions are exactly right. Then, the pieces are jointed by our professionals, using industry-standard machines and techniques. We use different technologies for different purposes, which are all there to ensure a perfect product, from start to finish. And we don't just buy and process our high-quality veneer, we make it as well. We start that process with the finest lumber, which we make soft and malleable. Then our precise machines slice it into thick veneers. At every step of the process, precision and quality are the norm. Once the wood is cut, it's dried and stored. Each and every piece we make is carefully checked, making sure it's up to standard, up to our standard, the GOPACK Veneer standard. The finished veneers are then packed, protected, and readied for transport. There are many reasons why our international partners choose us, but in the end, it all comes down to our products. We're GOPACK Veneer, and this is the site of good veneer.